How's it going, everyone? I'm Laser, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace your mouse gliders or your mouse pads on the G Pro Superlight. Okay, before we start, there is a couple of things you will need to prepare. You need to have your mouse, obviously. You need to have aftermarket pads for your mouse, and there is a couple of brands. I can recommend Tiger Arc. I can also recommend the core pads, which I have been using so far. And apart from that, you will also need some kind of alcohol infused cloth to get rid of the residue, to get rid of the old glue, to help the new mousepad attach more securely and more firmly. Okay, first thing we will need to do is to remove the old pads. It's quite simple. You don't need any specific tools. You can use your fingernails, and you just need to pry up the old pads like that, pull it like so, and that's it. I'm going to remove also this one, and I will have a word of remark after we're done with all the removing. So some of you probably already know, but some of you probably don't, so I'm going to mention it. The first time you remove the stock pads, you will also have to remove this like a black tape that's going to be attached over here like that. Remember to remove it, because when I did it for the first time, I forgot to remove it. I attached the new pads and my mouse started to behave very inconsistently. It started to lose track. The sensor was losing track of the motion from time to time. So remember to remove those black tapes here. You should be able to see the screws like you see here, like screws here, and over here as well, or holes actually here. And after you've done that, get the alcohol infused cloth, take it out, and just rub the surface you're going to apply the new pads to. You want to get rid of the old glue so it doesn't mix up with the new one and might cause your new glides to not attach properly or firmly enough. Okay, this should be fine. I don't see anything left. I'm also going to use a microfiber cloth to make the surface dry, so there is no alcohol left. You can do it, or you can just wait till the alcohol evaporates, and it's going to be fine as well. So after we've done that, we take the replacement pads. We'll start with the biggest one. Try not to touch the surface where the glue is, and you need to be very, very careful and do it really slowly. Take your time, apply and align the new pad properly. Okay, this should be fine. Apply some pressure so that it attaches to the surface evenly and causes no issues when using the mouse, like so. Now we're going to take the back pad, apply it, like that. Perfect. Also apply some pressure so that the glue sticks properly. And finally, we're going to apply the middle one. Very easy, very simple. Just remember about removing the black tape before we apply the new pads, and you're good to go. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Laser, and I'll see you soon.